We're getting ready to feed the pups, and we always put a little topper on from Native Pet. Today we're using the Probiotic. Here's a little tip. The first lid is real easy to use, and when you reuse this tin, you just use that top lid. But when you want to get off this bottom lid that really seals everything in, instead of trying to use my fingernails or something else, I just use the scoop. And you can just push the scoop into the corners, and it makes it real easy. It just sort of lifts the corners open, and on that fourth corner you're going to be able to just pull this freshness lid right off. Of course, then we've got the scooper here, a little topper for each of them. The little guy gets a little less. This one is the Probiotic Native Pet food topper. I'll sprinkle it on top like that and then shake it around. All right, I better get to it instead of making videos, so we need to be feeding some critters here.